Welcome to physics class. Plus 2 chapter 3 magnetism and magnetic effects of electric current. Now I am going to teach about magnetic field at a points along the equator line due to magnetic dipole. Let us consider a bar magnet NS. N be the north pole of the magnet, S be the south pole of the magnet, each with the pole strength Q M and separated by distance 2L. Now, the magnetic field at a point C lies along the equator line at a distance R from geometrical center O of the bar magnet can be computed by keeping unit north pole at a C. QMC is called unit north pole is equal to 1 ampere meter. Now, the force experienced by unit north pole at a C can be computed by pole strength Ns by using Coulomb's mechanism. Before that, draw the axis of bar magnets and draw the parallel line to the axis of bar magnets. Now, draw the line segment from C to S. Similarly, draw the line segment from C to N. So, let take this angle theta and also this angle theta. Now, between the parallel lines, the alternating angles are equal. So, this is also theta. Now, this is also theta. Now, opposite angles are equal. Therefore, this angle also theta. Now, find out resultant force at a point C. We can using resolving the components. Before that, this is axis, x axis, y axis, minus y axis, minus z axis. In x axis unit vector I cap, in y axis j cap. Right. Now resolving the two components. So one is vertical component, another one is horizontal components. The vertical components f1 sin theta j cap and f1 sin theta minus j cap. The horizontal components f1 cos theta minus I cap and fs cos theta minus I cap. Now, for these two forces, we can find out resultant force. Similarly, for these two forces, we can find out resultant force. So, for F1 vector equal to F1 cos theta minus I cap plus F1 sin theta j cap. Similarly, Fs vector equal to Fs cos theta minus I cap plus F1 sin theta minus j cap. Now, F vector equal to F1 vector plus Fs vector. Now, the resultant force F vector at a point C is equal to magnetic field because of B vector equal to F vector by Q M C. So QMC is called unit north pole is equal to 1 ampere meter. Therefore, magnetic field is equal to force. Right. B vector equal to, what is F1 vector? F1 cos theta minus I cap plus F1 sin theta j cap plus Fs cos theta I cap plus F1 sin theta minus j cap. Now, minus F1 cos theta I cap plus F1 sin theta j cap minus Fs cos theta I cap minus F1 sin theta j cap. Now, plus F1 sin theta j cap minus F1 sin theta j cap cancel each other. Therefore, B vector equal to minus F1 cos theta I cap minus Fs cos theta I cap. So, take a note minus symbol. B vector equal to minus F1 cos theta I cap plus Fs cos theta I cap. So, what is Fn? The magnetic field at a point due to north pole. So, that is Fn equal to mu naught by 4 pi Qm by r dash square by using Coulomb's inverse square law. So, what is Coulomb's inverse square law? The force of attraction or repulsion between two poles is directly proportional to the product of poles and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Therefore, Qmc equal to 1. Therefore, Fn equal to mu naught by 4 pi Qm by r dash square. Similarly, the magnetic field at a point C due to south pole, Fs equal to mu naught by 4 pi Qm by r dash square. Now, the two terms are equal. The magnitude of F1 and Fs are equal. Therefore, B vector equal to minus 2Fn cos theta I cap. So, Fn equal to, substitute values, B vector equal to minus 2 into mu naught by 4 pi Qm by r dash square cos theta I cap. Now, r dash square equal to r square plus l square whole power 1 by 2 whole square. Now, find out cos theta value. So, cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? L. What is hypotenuse? R dash. So, L by r dash value r square plus l square whole power 1 by 2. Now, substitute cos theta value here. So, B vector equal to minus 2 mu naught by 4 pi Qm by r square plus l square power 1 by 2 whole power 2 into L by r square plus l square whole power 1 by 2. So, 2 cancel. Now, the base are same. Therefore, add the power. So, 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. Right. Next, B vector equal to minus mu naught by 4 pi Qm into 2L by r square plus L square whole power 3 by 2 into I cap. Qm into 2L is equal to what? Pm. What is Pm? Magnetic dipole moment. So, B vector equal to minus mu naught by 4 pi Pm by r square plus L square whole power 3 by 2 I cap. Now, compare the distance r and L. So, the bar magnet is very short. Therefore, its length is very smaller than r. Therefore, r is very greater than L. So, L is neglected. Therefore, L term neglected. So, r square whole power 3 by 2, 2 to cancel. Therefore, r cube. So, replace here. B vector equal to minus mu naught by 4 pi Pm by r cube into I cap. Now, Pm vector equal to Pm I cap. So, now replace here. Finally, B equivalent vector equal to minus mu naught by 4 pi into Pm vector by r cube. This is expression for magnetic field at a point along the equator line due to magnetic dipole. So, what is the direction of resultant magnetic field? The direction of magnetic field B vector at the point C acts opposite to the direction of magnetic dipole moment, PM vector, that is north to south, because the magnetic dipole moment always act south pole to north pole. Therefore, the resultant magnetic field acts north pole to south pole. Thank you for watching.